If we want to edit this text over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in a heading widget. We have the content settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. By going back to content, we can change the content from over here. We can use AI by clicking on this button over here. We can use the settings from over here for the text that we already have, or click over here for new prompt. Like so. We can add a new URL over here. By clicking on this wheel, we can add the option for the URL to open in a new window. And we can also use dynamic tags, for example, for an internal URL. By clicking over here, from the type, choose content, and then from over here, search for a particular page, and clicking on it. Now, whenever someone will click on this text, they are going to be taken to the gallery page. You can always click on this X in order to no longer have the URL. And we also have the HTML tag from over here. By going to Style, we have the alignment, like so. Typography. We can use global fonts from over here or custom one from over here. Family font from over here, like so. The size, we can have it as pixel, view it, and so on. And we can change it like so. The weight from over here. Transform it, like so. Style and decoration. Line height from over here. Once again, you can change the pixel to something else. Letter spacing from over here. And word spacing from over here. You can always click on this icon over here to go back to default. By going back over here to secondary, we have changed the font the way it was. We also have the option for text stroke from over here, the size from over here, and the color from over here. Okay, let's click on this icon to go back to default. We have the option for text shadow from over here, the color from over here, the opacity from over here. Then we have the blur from over here, the horizontal distance, and the vertical distance from over here. Like so. We also have blend mode. The text color is from over here for the normal state and for the hover state. We can use global colors from over here or custom ones from over here. And for the hover state, the same. And now when someone hovers, the color will change. We can choose the transition duration from over here, like so. By going to Advanced, we can choose margin, paddings, and so on.